Alright, so today I am going to be doing my green seasoning that I use to season up my meats. What I'm going to use in it is, I have two types of parsley, the curly parsley and the flat parsley. I have cilantro, ginger, culantro, which I took off of my own plant that I have. I also have Cuban oregano, both the variegated and the regular, which I cut off my plant. Some habanero peppers, scallions, sage, basil, onion. And then you're also going to need vinegar, black pepper, and I put seasoning salt. So I'm gonna chop this all up, rinse it off first, chop them up, and then I'll see back when I'm at the blender. Alright, so I'm back. Everything is washed and chopped up, and I put everything in a bowl. And I don't remember if I said garlic, but I do have a whole garlic that I peeled, and I cut up my ginger. So everything's in a bowl, and I'm about to put it in the blender to mix it up with some cool water and vinegar. And I use the white distilled vinegar. So I'm gonna put everything a little bit at a time in there. Alright, put some water in, and I'll get me some more. Alright, and it's going to get pretty loud once I start it, so... And I'm just pulsing it right now. Add some more. And now I'm gonna get the seasoning salt and black pepper and the vinegar. And I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in the vinegar, and it's to your liking. I do it based off of how watery or how thick I want it to be. So I'm gonna put that much in right now. Then I'm just gonna add the black pepper. And I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons for now. And then the seasoning salt. About 2 tablespoons of that also. And then blend it up. Pulse it. And then now I'm going to take a spoon and see if the consistency is good. And I also go by the smell. It has a certain smell that I like. And then if it's the consistency that you want it to be, then it's good to jar up. And you can add basically whatever you want in there. If you want pimentos in there, you can put pimentos, which I actually forgot, so I'm gonna grab me some and put that in there. Alright, so I have the pimentos. I'm gonna just put roughly about that much. It's up to you how much you want to put in there, and put that in there and blend it up one last time. And then it's good to put in a jar. And try to get the pimentos down closer to the blade. And it's done. I'm gonna put it in a mason jar. That I have a big mason jar that I store it in the refrigerator. And I'll be back once it's in the mason jar. Alright, there it is in the mason jar. And you can see it's a good sized mason jar. And this is the consistency of what it looks like. And it smells amazing. So there it is. I'll list the individual ingredients below. And thanks for watching.